Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, young officer Adamu has something to say. So I shall play you a clip of what young officer Adamu has to say, and then after we'll come back and then we'll discuss what young officer Adamu had to say.
Good day, everybody. So the other day I posted a picture of myself on uniform on the internet, and it got a lot of reactions. A lot of people were surprised to see a young police officer, and some other people were thinking, probably he got to where he is because of his dad is rich and his dad has influence and all. And I find that really insulting, because I got to where I am today because I worked for it. Anything I am today, I earned it. And I want everyone to know that they used to tell us before, we're the leaders of tomorrow. We need to understand that we are the leaders of today, and we need to start taking responsibilities today. And I feel if you're 25 years and you're still comfortably sitting down in your father's house eating your father's food, you're a failure, and you're among the problems we have in Nigeria. You should actually get outside, start something, no matter how little it is. Start something for yourself, and for yourself. Be proud of yourself, have a dream, work towards it, and you're going to achieve it. The sky is your limit. There's nothing you can't be if you believe in yourself.
So there you had a young police officer saying that if you're 25 years old and you're still living under your parents' roof and you're still collecting an allowance from your parents, etc., then you can consider yourself a failure. So this is what he's saying, and he's saying this in a Nigerian setting as well. So really, this is real big words from this young man. So what do we make of this, and what is your reading of it? Because I am not sure where I actually stand on that statement, because 25 is old enough to be out and earning, and 25 is an age that you should be out and earning. But are there reasons why you should still be under your parents' guardians and under their roof at the age of 25? And we're applying this to both sexes, male and female. So this is what Officer Adamu said, and I'm bringing it to you for your consideration, because I'd like to hear what your thoughts are on what this young man has said. So I am not taking a view, but I will go with the views on the comment section, where the conversations usually take place on this channel. So Officer Adamu has spoken. What says you? Let's have a conversation about it in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. And then once you've done both, meet me in the comment section where we can progress this conversation. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.